Start by matching the numbers. Begin with piece number 1 and connect it to the other pieces counting up 1. Keep going, connecting the same numbers together as you move along. 2. Hold off on connecting the corners for now. You'll have the 4 sides independently put together. The lights should be positioned along the bottom and top. There are no lights on the sides. That's where the power cord runs through. The straight connectors in the center also have numbers. You'll see 3 of each number. These are your straight connectors. 2 of each number will be for the corners. Numbers 1 through 7 complete the bottom section. Pieces 8 and 16 are your side supports. Numbers 9 through 15 build the top section. Connect the top row to the sides using the 90-degree connectors. Connect the bottom to the sides. This will be a bit tricky considering the feet elevate the bottom. There will be 2 different electrical connectors. Attach the power connectors to each numbered section except for numbers 4 and 12. Once the perimeter of the frame is assembled and the electrical is connected, it's time to build the support grid. Start with the vertical supports. Place the bottom one in first, twist 90 degrees to secure, then attach the T-connector on top. Now, place the horizontal supports. Twist to secure them in place and add any additional connectors. At this point, your frame should be fully built and taking shape. With your team, carefully stand up the wall, making sure to support it evenly to prevent any bowing. Now, connect the power cords in each corner to complete the wiring. There will be 4 outlets required. Two cords on each side, one connected to the bottom and one to the side. Plug these in to ensure the power is working properly. Finally, install the fabric on both the front and back of the frame. This will ensure a tight, seamless look. The fabric has a bead of silicone sewn along the edge. This fits into the slot on the frame. Make sure to pull it tight and avoid the fabric from bunching up. Your Strike Visuals 20 feet PVC SEG wall is now fully assembled and ready for action. If you need any help or replacement parts, reach out. We've got you covered.